Established in 1972, a family-owned and operated facility, Ellis County Auto Repair is dedicated to the collision repair industry and prides themselves on superior service. They provide written, lifetime workmanship guarantees on all repairs and paint as long as you own the vehicle. Your vehicle is a major financial investment. You should be concerned with protecting it as well as maintaining its safety and reliability for you and your family for years to come. If you do ever happen to incur damages to your vehicle, it is essential that you select a quality repair facility with fully trained and certified technicians, state-of-the-art equipment, and knowledgeable management to assist you in ensuring your vehicle is returned to as close as humanly possible to its pre-loss condition in appearance, reliability, safety, and value.
I heard about Ellis County Collision through a friend that worked for a Chevy dealership in Dallas County, and he knew that we lived in Ellis County, and he recommended them highly. My impression now is about like it was 35 years ago. We're still met very courteously. All the people that work here that we have come in contact are very genuine. They want us to be happy with our finished product, and we always have been. I have recommended Ellis County Auto to a number of friends and family as well, and they've always been pleased with the outcome as well.